वसुदेवसुदं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
Respected Swamiji, after all, Arjuna wanted ahimsa, non-violence, but Krishna inspired him to be violent. Why would an enlightened person do that? Now please understand, first understand the word non-violence. The moment you say the I and mine, you are violent. Please be very clear. Only a person who has lost his I and mine can be non-violent. The moment you say this is mine and that is somebody else's, you already created violence. Naturally, you will be violent. The moment you have the idea, you create the idea, I and mine, you will be violent. You already divided. The moment you divide, you will be violent. Only a person who has lost the I and mine will be non-violent. Here, Arjuna is not non-violent. Be very clear. He says he doesn't want to fight because he feels all of them are his relatives. Not because of ahimsa, because he feels they are his relatives. Because of I and mine, he doesn't want to fight. Not because of non-violence. Please understand. Again and again he says Swajanam, Swajanam, Swajanam. In this one chapter, 3 places he says Swajanam. 28th sloka. Then again 31st. And again 37th. In 3 slokas he says Swajanam, Swajanam. Let me give you the slokas. Wherever he says Swajanam. Drishtve Swajanam Krishna Yuyutsum Samubastitam. The 28th sloka he says Swajanam, my people. Swajanam means my people. And then again, the 31st, Nimittani cha pashyami viparidani keshava nasasreyo nupashyami hatva swajanamahave. Again Swajanam. The 3rd, Tasman narga vayam andum darta rashran swabandavan swajanam hi kadam hatva Sukhinashyama matavaha. Again and again, he is worried just because they are his relatives. When your I is involved, it can never be ahimsa. Please be very clear. When the war started, it started for dharma. But slowly he forgot the dharma. Instead of dharma, he started thinking, I am doing this war for my pleasure. Why should I do? I am doing this war for my pleasure itself is wrong. This war is not started for Arjuna's pleasure. It started for Dharma's sake. Because the Dharma was not established. Because the Duryodhana did not give the share, which is their due, which is Pandava's due. For Dharma's sake the war started. But when the goal has changed, no, just for my pleasure I am doing the war, then all the confusion entered. As long as the Dharma is goal, you will not have confusion. Here the confusion entered because the goal has changed. The goal has changed. Please be very clear. Arjuna is not refusing to fight because of non-violence. He is refusing to fight because of his attachment. One more thing you should understand. Your I and mind is invested on all your relatives. When your relatives die, you feel something is taken away from you. One thing important, not only your relatives, even if your enemy dies, you will feel the emptiness. You will feel something is missing. Why do you think these politicians, when both of them are alive, they will fight continuously? When one person is dead, the other person will give statements, condolence. The moment opposition leader dies, this guy gives condolence statements, and he really feels because he is missing somebody in his life. You have invested your ego even on your enemy. Even if your enemy dies, you will feel something is missing. So here, he doesn't want to fight just because of his ego, just because of his fear, not because of non-violence. Please be very clear. Non-violence is different. Fear is different. Here he asks Krishna, Krishna, let me go away to forest. If Krishna says, yes, you go, after going to the forest, next day he will start hunting. Next day he will start hunting. You think he is non-violent? Next day he will start hunting. He will be violent because animals are not his relative. Here he is not ready to kill just because he feels attached. Relative, swajanam, not once or twice, 3 times. In Sanskrit grammar, if you repeat any word 3 times, they say it is there from your deep consciousness. The feeling comes out of your unconsciousness. Any word, if it is repeated 3 times, the concept is from your unconsciousness. So here he says, in one chapter, 3 times, swajanam, swajanam, swajanam. Then how can you say he is not fighting because of non-violence? No. It is pure attachment. The ideal of dharma is drop. He dropped or he forgot the ideal of dharma, what for he started the war. That idea is forgotten. That is why he says, I don't want to fight. And Krishna wants him to understand the whole truth. Krishna wants him to understand the whole truth. If Arjuna says, I will not fight because of ahimsa, Krishna will be the first person to encourage. Yes, don't worry. Go and rest. Go on, rest. Krishna has sent his own brother Balarama. You should know the deep stories of Mahabharata. His own brother Balarama. Balarama comes and asks Krishna, Krishna, I don't want to fight. I feel like going for Tirtha Yatra. I want to do spiritual practice. Krishna says, please go. He blesses and sends the Balarama. Balarama did not appear in the Mahabharata war. He was there at the time, but he did not appear in Mahabharata war. Balarama did out of real ahimsa. He felt the compassion, went and asked Krishna. Krishna gave permission and blessing. But this is not out of compassion, this is out of fear. That is why Krishna says, no, fight. Please be very clear, the end cannot justify the means. The decision cannot justify the attitude. Not only the decision, attitude also has to be clear. Not only the decision, attitude also has to be clear. Here, Arjuna and Balarama both made the same decision, but different attitudes. So Arjuna is not matured. Arjuna is not taking the decision out of right attitude. So here, all Krishna is teaching is only one thing, all Krishna's work. Krishna is doing only one thing, teaching right attitude to Arjuna. Right attitude to Arjuna. So please be very clear, Arjuna is not non-violent. Arjuna is not ahimsavadi. So don't be worried about Arjuna.